Bonjour, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Making condiments from scratch is my vibe. One that I came across years ago but couldn't find anywhere in stores is Aji Amarillo Paste, which is a vibrant, colorful, and delicious Peruvian condiment. Here's my take on it, so let's get cooking. In a jar of a blender, we'll add an habanero pepper, seeded and ribs removed, and half a cup of an orange bell pepper. To this, we'll add a pinch of ground sea salt and about half a tablespoon of olive oil at the most. We'll place the lid on and pulse a few times until the ingredients are blended and form a thin paste. Let's not forget to clean the sides of the jar. We'll transfer the paste to an airtight container and store in the fridge. This recipe makes about half a cup. As you saw in this video, it takes just a few minutes to mimic this condiment and you got yourself a gorgeous South American paste for your cooking. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!